Good morning, guys. Welcome to the day 4 vlog. It's 30th of December today, and we are still at Tumling, and it's around 7:23 right now, and we are experiencing the first sunrise at Tumling, and this is how Tumling looks right now. All covered in snow. This is how Tumling looks right now, and for today we will get out of Tumling, and we can't, like I told you yesterday, like in the previous vlog, that we can't go to Kalipokri or Sandakphu anymore because the amount of snowfall there is much more, and the permit is not allowed by the army. So we'll head downwards towards Dhotrey again and trek to Dhotrey, and then catch a car from Dhotrey to Timbure. That's another village that we'll go and stay at today. And apart from that, I'll take you along some good spots. Until then, stay tuned. So guys, we have started our journey today, and we are heading towards Dhotrey today. And from Tumling we can see the Kanchenjunga range, a little bit of it, and we can see the Sandakphu top. That is it. We couldn't go there, but we have the chance to see it from here. So let me show you the whole valley. See. It's too difficult to trek in snow, right? Because you lose breath quite easily, and we came to trek in the winter season, and we also got the chance to trek in snow. So both side win for us, if we can say. But this bag is really not at all helpful. We are climbing up till Tonglu because it's quite inclined slopes. See the road, it's quite inclined. We have to climb all the way up there, and our guide here is there behind with my sister because she's having some breathing problems. So he's there with her, and he's just quietly coming up with them, and we are enjoying the trek, but it's extremely tiring. Everyone is having a little.
And it's cold.
It's cold. Hello. And we have reached Tonglu, and the road is amazing.
Network pile.
Hello guys, we are here at Tonglu, and This is the whole place, and that is the lake that we saw while going. It's completely frozen right now, and there's so much of snow here, man. The whole team is here. See?
It's like my half leg is going inside the snow.
How do you feel, Shodeep?
Man, this is so much fun, man. This is so much fun.
Fun,
And
right?
also tiring.
Yeah,
Not
that's
that
tiring.
easy.
Tiring, obviously.
Lisa, how you doing?
Fantastic.
Lisa is out of oxygen, but still never give up attitude.
Yeah, never give it up to you, man.
টেনশনের কোনো কারণ নেই সবাই
Let's go, let's go. So we have reached Tonglu and we had our tea here, and it feels real nice when you have something warm when it's this cold. See the whole view, Tonglu. Another team there is heading down with the help of the army, because they have got elderly people too. So the army have come to rescue them, and we being heroes, we'll be going down by ourselves till Dhotrey and then taking a car to somewhere. We have started from Tonglu again till Tumling, and we'll go down the trail route, the one which we came up from, and let's see. एक्सपीरियंस हो तो ऐसा हो। व्यू देखिए, और हम लोग कहाँ से उतर रहे हैं? See, the whole team is having so much fun getting down the snow trail. See? चलो 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 चलो। So we have gone into ultra steady mode because we can't make any sound, and we are walking inside the reserve forest, Singhari National Park, and see, the whole team is advancing quietly, and you can see the view behind me. And we have almost reached. This is the Dhotrey playground that we showed you earlier on, and see, it's covered with snow right now. Yeah, it's covered with snow. We have got 10 more minutes of walking to do, and we'll reach Dhotrey, and then after Dhotrey we'll take a car to Pamengwa, something like that. Let's go. We have reached Dhotrey. It's 14:02 right now of 30th December 2021, and we have come down from Tumling to Dhotrey. चलिए Dhotrey आ गए. This is Dhotrey. That's our lodge in Dhotrey, the Sherpa Lodge. Now we are going to have some food and most probably momos. And after that we are going to another place where we will stay today to head over tomorrow to Shikola and keep our bags there, and we'll head to Timbure. Let's see. After having a delicious plate of momos, we are on our way to Sipi. It's a village, I don't know where, but it'll take 3 hours from Dhotrey to reach there, and we are finding a car till now. Okay. We have started from Dhotrey, and this is how we are sitting. See. Oh yeah! See. We are going from Dhotrey to Sipi. Let's see you there. ठीक है एकदम দিমুনি কেমন লাগতেছে?
চারিদিকটা কেমন ওয়াও লাগতেছে।
ওয়াও লাগতেছে ভাই, এই দেখো
আমার ওয়াও লাগতেছে না, আমার একদম ওয়াও লাগতেছে না, মার খাচ্ছি খুব ভাই।
এই দাদা খুব মার খাচ্ছেন, এই দাদা আইস খাচ্ছিল, এই দাদা আইস খেয়ে হলুদ হয়ে গেল। এই দাদা দেখুন পুরো জঙ্গলি একটা দাদা উঠে এসেছেন গাড়ি
হয়ে গেছে আইস খেয়ে,
হেসে এক্ষুনি ফেটে যাবেন। আর এমনি চিড়ি ল্যাপটপ
নানু হে ইধার, নানু হে ইধার, দিখাই নেই দে রহা।
আর আমি আমার জন্য কিছু বল। So we have reached Sepi Shrikhola. Sepi, you know, this is our homestay, Pritam homestay. We'll be staying here. It's night. It's around it's 7:24, 17:24. That means 5:24 p.m. and we are entering the homestay at Sepi. So we have reached Sepi Shrikhola and we are staying at this homestay, Pritam homestay. This is our room. We are suggested to take 2 rooms, one for 4 and one for 6, but we wanted to stay all together, so we chose the room with the occupancy 6, and this is the room that we chose. It is place for 6 people, but we are 10 and we'll just adjust over here for the night, and we'll enjoy the whole night with some barbecue and stuff. Let's see what we do. So guys, we are in Sepi Shrikhola, and we had a fun party with some drinks and some barbecue and some bonfire, and now we are having dinner. See, everyone's having dinner.
आपके लिए हैं?
So everyone's having dinner. We have rice, dal, some sabji and chicken for dinner, and now we'll head back to the homestay and plan for tomorrow. Tomorrow we are also going to trek till Timbure and spend our New Year's Eve over there and have some fun over there too, and we'll see what the new year goes as, and let's see how much fun do we have. That's all from the vlog number 4, and hope you guys liked it. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment down what you felt below, and keep enjoying more of these amazing vlogs that I'm going to bring you, because we have something bigger planned for 31st night, and then we are going to visit some amazing places too. So stay tuned, and good night. Bye bye. So guys, हम लोग अभी निकल रहे थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर करने, ठीक है? सेपी श्रीखोला इधर is full of, like, it's in the forest region, and it's mountain all around, and we can see the surrounding cities. So if you see that side, I don't think so you can see it, but there are twinkling lights, you know, light of course. See the twinkling lights? Those are the houses that people live in other hills, and we are here exploring the wild. And see the sky. The sky is like wonderful.